everyone! Welcome back to Chest of Wealth. Today, we've got something exciting and transformative in store for you. We're diving deep into the art of manifestation, specifically, how to create a powerful vision board to attract success, money, and wealth in 2024. So grab your supplies, get comfortable, and let's manifest some greatness together. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what a vision board is. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. It's a powerful tool that combines images, words, and affirmations to help you focus on what you want to achieve. Today, we're going to make a vision board specifically tailored to manifesting success, money, and wealth in the coming year. The first step in creating a powerful vision board is to reflect on your goals. Take a moment to think about what success, money, and wealth mean to you. What specific achievements and financial milestones do you want to reach in 2024? Grab a notebook and jot down your thoughts. This self-reflection is the foundation of a vision board that truly resonates with your desires. Now that you've clarified your goals, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a poster board, magazines, scissors, glue, markers, and any personal items or photos that represent your vision. Make sure to choose a poster board that's large enough to accommodate your vision board dreams. Flip through the magazines and start cutting out images, words, and phrases that resonate with your goals. You can also just go on canva.com and find appealing images which you can simply print out. Look for visuals that evoke the feelings of success, abundance, and prosperity. Don't limit yourself. Let your imagination run wild. This is the fun part, so enjoy the process of finding content that truly speaks to you. Once you have a pile of inspirational content, it's time to arrange and glue them onto your vision board. Consider organizing the elements in a way that tells a visual story, from your current situation to the success and wealth you're manifesting. Be intentional about the placement of each item, creating a visually appealing and meaningful composition. Now, let's supercharge your vision board with affirmations. Write down positive and empowering statements that align with your goals. These affirmations act as powerful reminders and help rewire your mindset for success. Place them strategically on your vision board, reinforcing the images and creating a harmonious balance between visuals and words. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment for a visualization exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself in 2024, living the life you've visualized on your board. Feel the emotions, embrace the success, and believe that it's already happening. Visualization is a key component of manifestation, so don't skip this step. Congratulations! You've just created a powerful vision board to manifest success, money, and wealth in 2024. Your vision board is a dynamic tool. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily, and let it serve as a constant reminder of your goals. It's been a pleasure guiding you through this manifestation journey. Remember, the power of visualization is only as strong as your commitment to your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We'd love to hear about your manifestation experiences, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Here's to a phenomenal 2024 filled with success and abundance. Until next time, keep manifesting greatness. And as a bonus, we've linked some related videos below that can further assist you in your journey towards abundance and success. So make sure to check those out.